This 5-minute solution will show you how to make an announcement channel on Discord from mobile. Follow these easy steps to make an announcement channel. First of all, go to the server how you want to create an announcement channel and tap on the server name. Tap on settings. And first of all, we will enable community. So tap on enable community, get started, and make sure to enable these two options. Next, finish setup. Now go back from here, and after enabling community, now I'm going to tapping on this plus icon to create a new text channel, and that's it. Here we can see announcement channel. So select this announcement channel and enter the new channel name. Tap on create, and this is how we can do it. Here we can see the announcement channel has been created. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.